welcome back to another vlogs, guys. Today you can see behind where I am. Today I'm planning to celebrate my friend's birthday in the yacht. You can see behind this yacht, and this is my boat. So we're going to sit inside the sea, and let's go with me. So we are ready to go now. Actually, this is such an amazing place if you have making the birthday party. So I will show you. These are my friends are just enjoying there. So let's go. Hello, how are you guys? Oh, this is a nice view. Look at this. Everybody busy for the photo. Oh, this is a photographer. We plan to go inside the sea. It's such an amazing place. Look at this one. Everybody is busy with the photos because the view is such amazing. And more than this, you can see in the inside. Life. Goodbye. Woo! This is really amazing. You can see it's a building. It's a Dubai building. It's the best building, and you can see it's a different design. And my favorite building is that. I'll show you in the front. Hello! Hi everyone! Welcome to Dubai. Come to Dubai. Habibi, come to Dubai. This is Dubai. Wow. So this place you can have it in the sky dinner. You would like to have a dinner in the sky, so you can have a dinner there. So this is a blue water, so we plan to go there. People chilling. Dance. Udah dance. It's such a mess. Inside, yeah, there. This all area is a Dubai. Wow. This is Dubai. So this is her surprise for birthday. So my friend have a show me your power. This is one. So we're going to make a bomb. And, all right. Okay. So we have a spray. She don't know, so we'll make a surprise her. Yeah. Let's do it. Wow! Look at the view. Wow! Such amazing. Enjoy my video, guys. We are celebrating for the birthday for my friend in the inside the sea, and really amazing. There's a place that's such an amazing, beautiful. And if you have a plan to make the birthday, and place is here, so you can celebrate your birthday inside the sea. It's near the Dubai Eye, and it's very beautiful place. And I hope you enjoy my video, guys, and I'll come soon for next video. And take care, God bless you, and I love you guys.